Mag-ingat dahil Spain is hot right now for studying abroad. Pero kasabay nito, dumadami din ng sketch agents na nanloloko ng students. Marami sa aming lumalapit, merong daw nag-aalok ng 6-month teacher training program sa Spain. Mura, mabilis, at okay na okay daw. Pero ito ang hindi sinabi sa kanila. Una, walang work rights. Yung 30 hours per week na work allowance ay para lang sa long stay student visa. So kung less than 6 months lang ang course, walang TIE, meaning walang trabaho. Pangalawa, walang job seeker visa. Automatic na job search permit only applies to EQF level 6, meaning bachelor's degree or master's lang. Hindi kasama doon yung vocational at short courses. Pangatlo, if you take that program, you need to have employer sponsorship. So kung nag 6-month teacher training ka, yung only option mo after your program is may employer agad na kukuha sa'yo. And guess what? Kung yan yung program mo, the starting salary is only 800 euros per month. Baka mabitin ka doon. So you might be better off taking other programs. So kung may agent na nagsasabi sa'yo na guaranteed work or visa extension after your 6-month program, red flag na agad yan. Dito sa amin sa Fortrust, libre ang assessment and consultation. Walang bayad, walang gatekeeping, at lahat ng facts nasa iyo. So kung duda ka sa iba, tayo na lang ang mag-usap.